Good morning. It is May 14th.
Yes.
And we are outside Sushi Street. We're gonna find a lot of expensive and cheap sushi. Obviously, we're gonna go for the cheap stuff because it's gotta be cheap. But yeah, it's very lively today. And they have all these stores. Diamond shops. They have all these buildings real close by. And they have a bunch of buildings under the railway system. All under there. Gotta make use of all the space they got.
It is and Lawson convenience station.
Lawson Convenience. Oh, Lawson. So, Osaka Osho.
They said it's in October. Also on Chinese food.
Oh. So what? So far that's our plan for the morning. We're gonna go to Sushi Street, and then I guess we're gonna just kind of figure out from there what we're doing. A Japanese bar.
Yes.
Be careful.
Lots of food.
Huh. It looks all under the rails.
Open in the evening.
All these buildings are under the railroads for the trains. So many stores under them.
Hey baby, no, it is not.
Okay, Okachimachi. This is well, this is what this looks like. A lot of buildings.
We are going to and after Ameyoko.
Omeyoko?
Yes.
So, Omeyoko.
It is called American Street.
Oh, okay, so American Street. And if you see right over here, he says tax-free. A lot of buildings have them, have these signs. They'll say tax-free. It's supposed to be for tax-free stores. Just kind of specify which ones are tax-free and which ones not.
Great, okay.
And here is the
Sushi market.
Tsukiji sushi market.
Arcade Street.
Lots and lots of sushi. Wow. You could definitely smell the fish here. Wow. Going down there?
Okay, that way.
This way?
Yes.
Wow.
No, expensive.
Oh wow, just for that? Oh wow. Yeah, see? Some expensive sushi, and you got yeah, they got this one right here is about $49 almost. Maybe a little less. That one's really good.
So let's go. No photo.
Record.
It is photo.
No, it's recording. Here at the top it says REC.
But it is super and big. You are. Yes. Is that good?
Oishi.
It is $15 and sushi set. With the miso soup, hot dog, and sushi roll, and sushi.
This one's good. $10. We'll try.
Let's try.
Green tea. Well, here's Ginza. All around here. And She said Ginza is like the expensive town. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have to just believe her on this one because everything just even looks expensive. Or just more expensive, I guess. Oh, it looks pretty good. It's so beautiful. You know, with all these super tall buildings. And a cloudy day. With semi little rain. Not too much though, so it's good. And here's more of Ginza. Very, very tall buildings. A lot of fashion and other type of stores here. Lots of buildings, real big buildings over there. Kind of looks like what? It'd be like New York City, probably LA kind of area. Granted, I've never been to LA. Still need to go. Wow, look at this building. What is this building called?
Kabuki building.
Kabuki.
It is Japanese culture.
Awesome. Thank you. Arigato, baby. Oh my god, I am in heaven. This is just like one little tiny spot in Akihabara. There is so much technology here. Downstairs they even have like a little PC gaming, an entire area dedicated to it. Granted, this one seems quite dedicated to it too. You got esports, Asus, Razer, HyperX, I'd assume Logitech instead of Logic Cool. But yeah, this is amazing. Really wish we had something more like this back in Nebraska. Well, if you wanted monitors, they got monitors and TVs, but we kind of care about more monitors than anything. So many games. Got Asus. Oh, look at that. Huh. No gaming chair set up. Wow. Oh, and then you got all your stands here too. And this is only the second floor of this building. The building is quite big. I didn't get anything on the first floor yet. But at least they had the adapter I wanted for my laptop. Because Japan, apparently, they only use the 2-prong American style plugs. And while most laptops in America have like 3 prongs, which includes the ground. And yeah, they don't have ground, so I had to get an adapter for that. But I was able to find a strip that had like 4 plugins with 3 grounds included, and then the output was that plugged into the wall was only a 2-prong, so it worked. They had other ones that were kind of shady, and I'm like, oh, let's not do that. Let's go and just get one with the power surge protector on it instead. But it's okay. I'm happy. It was like $17, so it's not too bad. Better than trying to buy an adapter and the power strip to charge all of our stuff. That since our hotel room only has 3 plugins. And we got a lot more stuff to plug in than 3 things. Unfortunately. This is my first time, so I do.
Okay, got you.
I want to record.
Sauce, okay?
Sauce?
Okay.
Chakiniku?
Yes.
Okay.
This is beef, okay?
Okay.
And we can order anytime, okay? Now 30 minutes.
Well, we are on the 5th floor of a 1 building. And we are doing an all-you-can-eat beef meats buffet. We got our grill right here, so we order it and they just bring it out. And here's our plate, and we cook it ourselves. They make you order like one soft drink, which is like what I think we're on happy hour right now, so I think it's like $2 per drink, for one person, I guess. And then the meat, the whole buffet is like it's about $19 per person. So give or take about $40 to $45, I think. And this is before 7 o'clock, so that's where their happy hour range. Well, this is the menu right here. I have no clue what the name is. I'll have Yuka come back and tell us the name. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it's called. But it's a beef buffet. Cook your own stuff. As you can see, the kind of style of tables right here. They're like little mats, but then it digs down like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it goes down. There's little feet down there. And you have to take off your shoes. Salad bar buffet, ice cream, stuff like that. But you take your shoes off, and you come in here and make sure it's all clean. Don't want your dirty ass feet in here. And that's pretty much it. I will show you the process of cooking all this stuff later. And there she goes. She's cooking the food right now. You just stick it right on the grill. So yeah, she's just gonna cook the food and what? So this would be what, about $45 almost, a little more maybe, for 2 people. But this is like, you know, genuine beef, you know, and all you can eat. So it'll be worth it. I would just say come hungry, for sure. Come hungry. Well, in terms of taste, so far, salt. Oh no, it's a good. Oh no. It's good. Yeah, make your $40 worth it, or what, 25 or whatever it is, you know, per person. Make it worth it by coming here hungry. Just doing a good job. But yeah, it's definitely an experience. It's a very good experience too. I'm not going to complain. But expensive sometimes. But well worth it so far. I'm gonna definitely try and eat my fill of meat. Oh well. You put it in my salad. Why you put it in my? Okay, well I guess that's.